Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. I have a very cute DIY for you today. It is a DIY snowman wreath made from all Dollar Tree items. All right, everyone. My channel is officially all things Christmas. I posted my first Christmas DIY a few days ago, and I just want to get a head start and let everyone see all my creative ideas and DIYs for this upcoming holiday season. To apply your two wooden wreaths together, you can use hot glue or any glue of your choice, but I just recommend that you use some type of rope, twine, or wire to make the actual connection of the two circles more durable. So I had some Christmas twist wire from Walmart on hand from last Christmas, and I used that to put around my two circles of my wreath, and I also still applied more hot glue for extra bondage. And I'm also applying this cute silver ribbon that I'm going to use as the scarf for my little snowman. I love sparkle. Everybody knows I love glitter. Anything cute and shiny, I love that. So this ribbon was purchased from Dollar Tree. If you're new here, I am Tae of Uneatly Tae. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my channel. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, and tablescapes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload a new video. Alright, if you want a very neat look for your scarf, only thing that I did so I can hide my wire, I hot glued the edges of my scarf to give that real clean cut look. I applied a little bit off camera around the base of the scarf, and I'm also going to apply a little bit at the knot of the scarf too.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
I did a quick sketch out of how I wanted my little snowman hat to look, the size and everything. And then I actually cut it off camera. Normally what I do, I cut it into pieces. I did the top part of the hat, and then I also separate the rim. And I pretty much just applied hot glue to both parts of the hat. And now I'm just using a little bit of my black chalk paint from Dollar Tree to give it a little finishing coat. I didn't want it to look perfect. I wanted it to look worn and used. So that was the whole purpose of me just using like a real quick thin coat of black chalk paint on the hat.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now it's time for my favorite part, the glitter. So I applied a little bit of Mod Podge to the top of the hat. I'm adding some white iridescent glitter, and I'm also adding some fine silver glitter to the top of the hat and the rim.
We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good
All right, this is the finished product. It looks so pretty. I love my little snowman. So sparkly, so down my aisle. I love all the sparkle. It was quick and easy, very inexpensive. Look at how beautiful it is. I applied the hat And I also applied the bow off camera. I made a quick little simple bow. I applied it to the bottom underneath my little pine cones and my ornaments. And I also used my same green wire and hot glue to apply the hat for extra coverage and bondage, and to make the hat durable also. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching my cute little DIY of a snowman. I appreciate all of you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy